Welcome to the Common Fox channel, guys. Once again, we are going to take another view on the Greatwall Gardens project. So this currently is the status. So everything you're going to see here is as of 2025 August the 20th. So this is how it looks on the front side. Basically, the good sides are at the entrance. I took video of the entire project and I'm going to take you through all the blocks. Just look through and locate where your block is. Stay put and enjoy the video to the end, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share the video and leave some like. It goes a long way. So as you can all see, guys, the project is quite far from completion. You can see the common areas are basically nothing is done. The buildings are in the same state as they have been for the past 1 year or slightly more. The roofing is not done on most of the blocks. Plastering on the outside is ongoing. They have started with the blocks at the entrance. So you can see those areas look a bit better. I mean, the blocks around the entrance, they have moved a bit. In here we have the metal components of the building. They have been done. Let me say the welding preparation has been done, but they're still sitting in there. This, I think, is the play area of the project. So I just came here around 12 o'clock and you can see there's work going on despite it being slow. But yeah, there are workers around here. Yeah, those are the iron sheets that are still on site, bought around 2024. And over there you see how the blocks look like on the outside, not plastered for most of the blocks. That's how it looks like from the outside. The entire row all the way to the end. And this is just one of the blocks from the entrance. It looks like that. come from the entrance. This block is at the very far end. I am at the very back of the compound. And you can see this block is really looking in bad state. Look at that, look at that. It may fall down, guys, but anyway, we move. This is just a block next to it. Progress going on, but this one is in a sorry state. Yeah, this one does look like it was abandoned or it's been abandoned totally, but the inside looks like it's been plastered though. So there you have the windows, they are stored there. They haven't been fixed, and you can see all these blocks, all this line of blocks. There is no roofing, there is no plastering on the outside, they're just there. I don't know what that water is for. Probably they did some plastering on the inside and they were doing some curing. I don't know, but yeah. Yeah, like you can see over there, some units seem to have wet walls, so probably they did some curing. They are starting to put some windows over there. The frames have been fitted on some windows. Are those glasses or what? They put glasses before they do the plastering on the outside. Yeah, anyway, the window frames have been fitted. I don't know if those are glasses or they have used the units for storage. That's what you have, and these ones over here are probably the most advanced units with the roof and plastering on the inside, on the outside, and window frames already fitted. And I think that's where you collect your waste. These are probably the commercial units. Entrance of the sales, and we just came out from there as we went to have a look at the unit. And this part here, they are the units just next to the show house. They've been plastered on the inside, on the outside, they have been roofed. So I know the investors are really not happy. They expected the project to be delivered quite some time ago, and look at the status of the project, guys. It's not fun at all. This is one of the units inside, and this is how it looks on the inside. I'll just give you a sneak peek of what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, the plastering has been done. Of course, the plumbing has been done and wiring has been done on some of them. That's the inside. I think there's a sitting room. That's how it looks like on the floor, on the walls. On the top quality, probably and I really feel sorry for these guys. Those who invested in Greatwall 6, I really feel sorry for you guys. This is where your project is. I'm not giving updates on Greatwall 6, but from where I was, that's how it looks like. Yeah, this is one of the bathrooms. That's the top of the unit. So this is just another bedroom. Actually, this is the master bedroom, and you can see it goes that way to the bathroom cum toilet in the master bedroom. That was it on the inside, and we are back on the outside. I will just take you through and get back to the entrance. Like I said at the beginning, I will show you the entire project, so I will take you all the way back to where we started. These are some of the blocks that are in advanced stage with the finishing on the inside and on the outside. Yeah, those are for the openings on the blocks and also some for the cabros and all that. And like I said, some of them do have the window frames fitted already. I think when they do the plastering on the outside, they get the window frames fitted as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.